under 18 female 3000 meter. The bronze goes to Leslie Mary Limcoy from Malkara District Sports Association with a time of 13 minutes 51.18 seconds. The silver goes to Rinalis Inkpi from Ribhoy District Sports Association with a time of 13 minutes 43.86 seconds. And the gold goes to Balasiodor Pathao from Nongstoin District Sports Association with a time of 13 minutes 4.56 seconds. The medalists for under 18 male 3000 meter. The bronze goes to Obanshan Nongram from Malkara District Sports Association with a time of 10 minutes 11.22 seconds. The silver goes to Yobiang Langstang from West Jaintia Hills District Sports Association with a time of 10 minutes 1.28 seconds. And the gold goes to Abor Kandai from West Jaintia Hills District Sports Association with a time of 9 minutes 59.88 seconds. For under 18 female 800 meter, the bronze goes to Selbiana K. Wanyang from Malkara District Sports Association with a time of 3 minutes 10.51 seconds. And the silver goes to Iba Dianghun Tangsang from Shillong Sports Association with a time of 3 minutes 2.57 seconds. And the gold goes to Lamont Shisha Lingdo from Nongstoin District Sports Association with a time of 2 minutes 51.9 seconds. The medalists under 18 male 800 meter. The bronze goes to John Bosco Kharbadi from Nongstoin District Sports Association with a time of 2.15, 2 minutes 15.57 seconds. And the silver goes to Banjoplang Ranyang from Nongstoin District Sports Association with a time of 2 minutes 12.64 seconds. And the gold goes to Sanctify Pale from West Jaintia Hills District Sports Association with a time of 2 minutes 11.7 seconds. For under 23 female 400 meter, the bronze goes to Tengrimchi M. Sangma from North Garo Hills District Association with a time of 1 minute 9.48 seconds. The silver goes to Sildaris Makri from Ribhoy District Sports Association with a time of 1 minute 9.32 seconds. And the gold goes to Pinhol Puwen from Nongstoin District Sports Association with a time of 1 minute 6.59 seconds. The medalists for under 23 male 400 meter. The bronze goes to Pilu Rinhong from Ribhoy District Sports Association with a time of 52.82 seconds. The silver goes to 11 Car from East Jaipur Hills District Athletic Association with a time of 52.54 seconds. And the gold goes to Prashant Langshilla from West Jaipur Hills District Sports Association with a time of 52.35 seconds.
So, what to say a little